In this video, I will show you how to change the continue shopping link on Shopify carts page, which you can see at the top right corner right here. Usually the underlined link is present whenever you have products in your cart. However, if your cart is empty, you'll just see a button which says continue shopping. And in both cases, whenever you click on them, you'll be redirected to collections/all page, which contains all your products. So let's assume we would like to change the link destination from collections all to a specific collections page. As an example, let's use the sofa sets collection. And for the purpose of this example, I will be using Shopify's Dawn Theme. So first of all, let's log into Shopify admin account and then click on the online store. Then locate Dawn Theme. In my case, it's version 13.0.1. Then click on three dots and then select Edit Code. Once the editor loads, in search, just type in lowercase main-cart. Under sections folder, you should find this file, main-cart-items.liquid. Let's open it, and this is what it should look like. Then scroll a bit down till you find line 32. Right here, you'll find this code, routes, all products collections URL is going to be present on both locations, on line 32 and on line 39 right here. What we are going to do is delete everything between the double quotation marks on line 32 and do the same thing on line 39. Now let's go back to the website and copy the path for the sofa sets collection, and it's going to be /collections/sofa sets. Let's copy it and paste it in between the quotation marks on line 32, right here, and line 39. Now let's go ahead and save changes. Once again, let's go back to the website and let's add a product to cart. Now, once we click continue shopping, we will be redirected to sofa sets collection. There it is. In fact, when the cart is empty, the functionality of the continue shopping button is exactly the same. As you can see, we're redirected to sofa sets collection. Alternatively, if you wish to redirect continue shopping link and button to homepage, all you have to do is just replace everything between the double quotation marks with a / in both locations. Just like this, and then save changes. Let's go back to cart page, and continue shopping will now redirect to homepage. So that's all I want to show you in this video. I hope you found it helpful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.